Welcome back to the Popcorn Genius. Today is a beautiful day in upstate New York, and we're gonna be popping up some Cajun popcorn using this seasoning we got at Bucees in South Carolina. Let's give it a taste. Whoa, this one is so good. Super excited about this. When we went to visit Bucees, the place was huge, had gas pumps all over the place, had all this great food inside, beef jerky and brisket sandwiches. I mean, the food was amazing. And we saw this on the shelf and we said, we gotta make some popcorn using that. So let me open it up, take a quick smell. Oh yeah, that is super spicy, a lot of very, very savory. It's called Texas Roundup Cajun Seasoning. So let's get popping. We're gonna be using 1.5 cups of butter oil. This is the Buttery Goodness by Paragon. And we're gonna be using 3 cups of kernels. Let's fire this thing up. This here is the oil that we're using today. This is the Buttery Goodness by Paragon. Great, great butter popping oil, and it's also a topping oil. You can put this right on top of your popcorn too. We got this heating up, we're stirring it up. Just a reminder, down in the description is a link to the Popcorn Genius recipe book. You can pick up your copy today, absolutely free, and download it immediately. Oh yeah, this thing's heating up already. Oh, I can smell that butter. Smells so good. This says it's 6.35 ounces in the bottle. We're gonna pour it into this. Oh, nice. We have a lot more left in here, and we might wind up adding this, but we really only need about 2/3 of a cup of the seasoning, so we're ready to go here too. Oh, we're starting to pop. It's looking really good in there. Oh yeah. Oh, this smells so good. If you've never been to Bucees, you should definitely go and check it out. It was a lot of fun. They're super friendly in there, high volume. They're making stuff like crazy. You could go in there and try all their jerky. It's awesome. Oh yeah, we're popping out now. Turn that off, give it a dump. There we go. We're gonna give it a little stir because we wanna, any of those unpopped kernels, we wanna sift those out of there. We have our popcorn sifter in the bottom of our bin here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take food safe bag and we're going to fill it with this popcorn. While it's still hot, we wanna fill this bag with our popcorn. Ooh, yeah, these kernels popped up so nice and big. Take a look at those. Look how nice and big those popped up. These are the mushroom kernels. They look so good. All right. Got a lot of kernels in here, a lot of popcorn. All right, look at all that nice popcorn we have in there. That looks so good. Take a look at that seasoning. Look how great that seasoning is in there. Really, really lots of spices in there. Smells so good. We're gonna pour that right over the top. I'm actually gonna use the rest of the bottle. Yeah, let's add it all in there. Why not? This is what the bottle looks like. Bucees Cajun. Awesome. All right, now that we have all our popcorn in here, we're gonna close this up and we're gonna give it a shake. Ooh, yeah. Wow. Look at that, awesome. Look at this piece right here. Look how much seasoning is on that. This is that mushroom popcorn, and it has all those nooks and crannies for all that seasoning in there. It looks so good. Let's give it a taste. Oh, oh yeah, it's nice and salty. Whoa, it's got some spice to it too. Cajun's spicy, but I've had other Cajun flavors on popcorn before. This one, whoa, this one is so good, and it's got me. Yeah, it's definitely spicy. It's definitely spicy, and it's really good. I just keep eating it because I guess I like the pain of the spice. I don't know, but it is really good. That gives it a whole flavor profile in there, makes it really creamy, spicy, savory. This is a top flavor, no doubt about it. Really, really good. If you haven't made it out to Buc-ee's, you should definitely take a trip. A lot of fun out there. Remember, in life and with popcorn, you just gotta get out there and get popping.